Okay, so I've had some questions, and I know that it's very confusing regarding the group projects. So let me clarify that for you a little bit. Um, you have three group projects in here. You have the instructional systems design model, which is generally due about 2 or so weeks into class, and all of the groups will load their one group PowerPoint into the discussion board for instructional systems design. Same with learning theories. You'll create one PowerPoint as a group, and then you will load that one PowerPoint as a group into the discussion model for learning theories. Now, the other one is the research project, and that you don't all do it in 1 week. Like there's not one instructional systems design and one learning theories week for the research project. Each different topic, each different group has a different week in which they will serve as the group discussion leaders. So let's take a look at this. The way you find what your content is go to your people link. Now again, mine is going to look a little bit different because I am in an instructor layout and I don't have the ability to see some of the things if I go into the test student, because the test student was not put into a group and things. So I need to look at the instructional or the instructor end of this. Now on your page, when you hit people, you're going to actually over here on the left hand side see your different groups, and the groups that you're going to have are your group research, your instructional systems design, and learning theories groups, because you are in 3 different groups. So the first project that's going to come due is the ISD models group thing. That's going to be due in like 2 weeks. So if you click that, you can see that you have all these different groups. Each group has a different group manager or group leader. In some cases, you have to work a little democratically here. But, whoops. Okay, that's a little annoying. Okay, so if you take a look, you will be able to click on your group and open up the group website. I can't do that because again I'm in the instructor side and it looks a little bit different. But I'm going to open up my group homepage here, or the group homepage for Model 1. And if you take a look in the announcements, in advance I went ahead and I loaded in the announcements what groups or what topics you are assigned. So that is the way that's going to work. So inside of your group you can go ahead and create discussion boards, upload files, whatever it is you want to do to collaborate. I also suggest that you take advantage of the OneDrive that is in your email system here for your college email. Also, I can't demonstrate that because they don't give that same access to faculty. You have a way cooler interface than we do. But if you are in ACES and you open up the student email from there, and up in the upper right hand corner you have a link to OneDrive, you can create a PowerPoint document there and actually share it with your team members. So I suggest the group manager do that, and if the group manager isn't taking action, then somebody else in the group can do it however you want to do it. So for example, this group is going to make one PowerPoint that covers Addy, Assure, and Bloom's taxonomy of learning, teaching the class all about these things, just like you were a neighbor talking over the fence to your other neighbor, telling them about these things. Don't just copy and paste from the internet, please. And then once that one PowerPoint or whatever presentation, if you want to do a Prezi or whatever, I don't really care. Just don't tell Vivian if you do a Prezi, but because she doesn't like Prezi, but I have no preference. But if you do that, it has to be linked then in the discussion board. If you go to discussions here, in your discussion boards you will see, oh, I'm in the wrong place. I'm actually inside the group and there's no discussion boards. I have to go back to the class. Okay, you can see in the discussion boards, that down here you have the instructional design models. You will post your, as a group, like the group manager, somebody will post that there inside of this discussion board. Also, you can see also Learning Theories has that. So the whole class, all of the groups will post at one time into the discussion models. All of the groups will post one PowerPoint per group into this Learning Theories on these dates that they are due, and then everybody will take a look at those different PowerPoints and respond to the different PowerPoints, because there are quizzes over the instructional design models and the Learning Theories. And then this other one, these other discussions are for the group research project, and you can see here Flipped Classrooms is going to post theirs and start the discussion the week before, actually March 15th. Emerging Technologies will actually post their PowerPoint the week before April 26th, so that people have a chance to comment. So that is how that is going to work. So for the first two group projects, everybody in the class, all the groups in the class will post at the same time. For the research projects, you will post and lead the discussion for your topic for the assigned week, and it's actually the week prior to the assigned week, so that everybody can actually reply and post and things. So make sure you're getting into your group work sites, websites, and working together to do that. I want everybody to work cooperatively. That's actually part of the learning process. So good luck, and if you have any questions, please let me know.